Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the game is crashing when you're trying to play on your Windows and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the solution. And before that, if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the first solution. So first solution is all about you have to update your graphic drivers. And in order to update your graphic drivers, you have to either search over here for device manager, and you can click on this, navigate to display and adapters. From here you just have to right click on the AMD Radeon RX 5700, depends on your driver. Right click and go for update driver, and you have to search automatically for drivers, and you have to check whether you're on the latest version or not. If the step is not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is all about you have to update your Windows. In order to update your Windows, you have to go over here in the search and type for settings, or if you have recently opened the app, you just have to click on settings once again. Go over here on update and security. From here you just have to check for any kind of updates, and if your Windows is up to date, then there is no issue with that. So make sure your Windows is up to date and try to play the game, and if it's not working, then we have solution number 3. Solution number 3 is all about you have to close unnecessary tasks which is running in the background. You have to go over here and right click for task manager. So here I have already made this up. So as you can see right now over here, there are many things which is running in the background. So I have to check which is draining out my performance, and if there is any unwanted things which is running in the background, like a heavy huge files like Adobe Premiere Pro or any other kind of things, you just have to right click on the respective one and go for end task. This is what you have to do. Even after trying the third step, if you're still trouble with the issue, then the next is all about you have to disable the antivirus. In order to just have to go over here in the search, and you have to search for Windows Defender. You have to search for Windows Defender Firewall, and you have to open this. From here you just have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and you have to make sure you have to turn this off. If it is on, you have to turn this off. This is what you have to do. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, then the next one which I would like to make you notice is, as the step 6 is all about you have to restart your PC. You can restart your PC from here, and you have to check, and most probably after a simple restart, sometimes the issue can completely fixed. Even if it's still working or it's not working, then the next is all about you have to updates. You just have to follow this instruction. You have to go over here on the Windows, and you have to search for, you have to go to settings. From here you just have to go to update and security, and from here you just have to click on Windows security. Now from here there is an option called virus and threat protection, so you just have to click on this one. Now from here you just have to scroll down. There is an option called manage settings. Now there is an option called real-time protection, so you just have to turn this off. Once this is turned off, try to play the game, and sometimes in some cases this has to be helped. And even if it's trying with this, if it's still not working, the last and the least solution which I would like to give you as last one, which is for the 8th solution, is all about you have to update the game. And even after updating the game, if it's not working, then we have solution number 9, which is all about you have to reinstall the game. Even if it is from Steam or any other platforms, you have to reinstall the game once again, and you have to check. And most probably by trying out these steps, the issue regarding crashing, the game is crashing on a PC, will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.